Ready to turn that plastic into spendable cash? Let's get that PayPal gift card redeemed. First, head over to paypal.com using your computer or mobile browser and log into your PayPal account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one before redeeming the gift card. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet option, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it. On the wallet page, scroll down until you find an option that says something like redeem a gift card or add a gift card. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your region or PayPal version, but look for something similar. Now, carefully enter the gift card code and the PIN or security code exactly as they appear on your gift card. Double-check for any typos or incorrect characters. Usually, the PIN is located on the back of the card, and you might need to scratch off a protective layer to reveal it. Once you've entered both codes correctly, click the Redeem button. This will add the gift card balance to your PayPal account balance. Finally, check your PayPal balance. The gift card amount should now be added to your available funds, ready to be used for online purchases, sending money, or anything else you use PayPal for. Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your PayPal gift card.